Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Sphere. Sphere. Sphere means round solid figure, or its surface, with every point on its surface equidistant from its center. For example, mysterious figures and spheres often show up in tourist pictures. Mysterious figures and spheres often show up in tourist pictures. Spin. Spin. Spin means rapid turning or whirling motion. For example, he concluded the dance with a double spin. He concluded the dance with a double spin. Synonyms: rotation, revolution, turn. Spine. Spine. Spine means series of vertebrae extending from skull to small of back, enclosing spinal cord. For example, a soft voice that sent a shiver down her spine. A soft voice that sent a shiver down her spine. Synonyms: backbone, spinal column, vertebral column. Spotlight. Spotlight. Spotlight means lamp projecting narrow, intense beam of light directly onto place or person. For example, though she is speaking, Marlowe is in the spotlight. Though she is speaking, Marlowe is in the spotlight. Spouse. Spouse. Spouse means husband or wife, considered in relation to their partner. For example, communication is the key to understanding your spouse, partner, or significant other. Communication is the key to understanding your spouse, partner, or significant other. Synonyms: husband, wife, partner. Spy. Spy. Spy means person employed by government or other organization. For example, it employs a worldwide network of spies and informants. It employs a worldwide network of spies and informants. Synonyms: secret agent, undercover agent, enemy agent. Squad. Squad. Squad means small group of people having particular task. For example, an assassination squad. An assassination squad. Synonyms: group, gang, band. Stability. Stability. Stability means state of being stable. For example, there are fears for the political stability of the area. There are fears for the political stability of the area. Synonyms: firmness, solidity, steadiness. Stake. Stake. Stake means strong wooden or metal post with point at one end. For example, the stakes are high, but the opportunity is enormous. The stakes are high, but the opportunity is enormous. Synonyms: post, pole, stick. Stem. Stem. Stem means main body or stalk of plant or shrub. For example, cut back the old stems to around ground level then, and give the plants a feed. Cut back the old stems to around ground level then, and give the plants a feed. Synonyms: trunk, stock, stock. Stereotype. Stereotype. Stereotype means widely held but fixed and oversimplified image or idea of particular type of person or thing. For example, the stereotype of the woman as the carer. The stereotype of the woman as the carer. Synonyms: conventional image, standard image, received idea. Stimulus. Stimulus. Stimulus means thing or event that evokes specific functional reaction. For example, areas of the brain which respond to auditory stimuli. Areas of the brain which respond to auditory stimuli. Storage. Storage. Storage means action or method of storing something for future use. For example, the chair can be folded flat for easy storage. The chair can be folded flat for easy storage. Strain. Strain. Strain means force tending to pull or stretch something to extreme or damaging degree. For example, the usual type of chair puts an enormous strain on the spine. The usual type of chair puts an enormous strain on the spine. Synonyms: tension, tightness, tautness. Strand. Strand. Strand means shore of sea, lake, or large river. For example, a heron glided to rest on a pebbly strand. A heron glided to rest on a pebbly strand. Synonyms: seashore, shore, beach. Strip. Strip. Strip means act of undressing. For example, she got drunk and did a strip on top of the piano. She got drunk and did a strip on top of the piano. Submission. Submission. Submission means action of accepting or yielding to superior force or to will or authority of another person. For example, they were forced into submission. They were forced into submission. Synonyms: yielding, capitulation, agreement. Subscriber. Subscriber. Subscriber means person who receives publication regularly by paying in advance. For example, I have been a subscriber to your magazine for many years. I have been a subscriber to your magazine for many years. Synonyms: reader, regular customer. Subscription. Subscription. Subscription means action of making or agreeing to make advance payment. For example, the newsletter is available only on subscription. The newsletter is available only on subscription. Synonyms: donation, contribution, offering. Subsidy. Subsidy. Subsidy means sum of money granted by state or public body. For example, a farm subsidy. A farm subsidy.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.